welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Sephora haul. I know, another one. But Sephora is starting up this new thing, I guess. They're having an appreciation sale for VIB and VIB Rouge members. Because I spend most of my money on makeup, I am a VIB Rouge member, which means I got to shop like 6 days before everyone else does, which is not that big of a deal. I don't find that like everything is sold out by the time it gets to the VIB members. And this is my mom calling. Hi, Mom. Yeah, I feel like they don't really, go out of stock on much when it's time for the VIB members, but I did pick up a few goodies, really just some skincare products and some products that I wanted to try out that were a little bit expensive and I didn't want to really splurge on it, so the sale came at a perfect time. So let's start off with some skincare products. The first thing I got is from Caudelie. This is their Vinopure Purifying Toner. This is a purifying toner with essential oils complex, exfoliating salicylic acid, and soothing grape water. I decided to pick this up because I just ran out of the Ole Henriksen balancing toner that I showed you guys in my skincare video as a part of my wedding series. I just finished that bottle. I do love the toner from Ole Henriksen, but because I am such a big fan of toners, I just love trying out different toners, different formulas, different ingredients in them. And since this has salicylic acid, which is one of my favorite ingredients for acne, brightening, properties, salicylic acid is really good for you. And I decided to try this out. This was a clean product at Sephora. Clean just means that it doesn't have those 6 harsh ingredients or harsh chemicals that are bad for your skin and bad for your bloodstream. Parabens, SLS, I think it's vegan as well. So I wanted to pick this up and try it out since I ran out of the Ole Henriksen one. I want to see what it smells like. It smells really soft and not rosy, but there's like a definite herbal scent to it. I'm so bad at describing scents, so that probably didn't make any sense or is even accurate. But I'm excited to try this out. I ran out of toner a few days ago, so my skin has definitely been suffering. I can see my pores like congesting again, and my skin just doesn't look as bright. I'm telling you guys, toner is so important in your skincare routine. The next skincare product I picked up is just a repurchase because I love it so much. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. And this is that 2-step peel pads that I was showing in my skincare video. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll have it linked down below for you. But because I ran out, I decided to pick up another box of it. I actually picked up 2 boxes because I'm so in love with this product. It just looks like this. You open up one side, wipe it all over your face, let it sink in, and then take the other pad, wipe it all over your face, and it's like a daily peel for your skin. My skin has definitely changed with the use of this product. I don't use it every single day because I don't want my skin to become like used to it and then it not work for me anymore. So I do it about every 2 days, even every 3 days. But I do love this. It's definitely helping with the hyperpigmentation around my cheek area, and it's helping prevent any like kind of emerging breakouts from coming up too quick, too fast, too big, too red. Sounded awful, but I really do love this, and this has 30 peels in it with 5 extra peels as a bonus in this box. And I believe this was $88, which is pretty pricey, but this will last you a little bit over a month. And I am definitely one of those who will invest in her skincare routine. If something works for me, I don't mind spending the money on it if it makes my skin look good. So I picked up 2 boxes. The last skincare product I picked up is from Dr. Jart. This is their Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. I watch Michelle 1218 here on YouTube for years and years and years, and everything that she's ever recommended has always worked and has always performed amazing. So she is in love with this product, and I picked it up. I've been wearing it for about 4 to 5 days now. I wear it every single day before I put on my tinted moisturizer from Drunk Elephant, and I actually really love it, which I'm not surprised because again, everything she recommends is amazing. So this little guy is a color correcting treatment, which means that it just neutralizes the redness that's on your face, and I can definitely see a difference when I put this on, especially around my nose area, which is usually where I have the most redness and unevenness on my skin. And this also has SPF 30, so it's going to be protecting your skin. I love products products with SPF in it, so I don't have to think about, you know, missing SPF for the day. And this claims to improve skin appearance to be vibrant. So again, I've been using this for about 5 days. I layered this on top of my serum in the morning, but underneath my SPF from Drunk Elephant. So it looks a little bit scary. It looks green in the packaging, and when you take some out, you need very little of this. So you can see on my hand, I don't know if you can see that, it's green, but when you blend it out, it just kind of blends out to be like a translucent clear color, and it just color corrects any redness and neutralizes all the red spots that's on your face, and I really, really like it. It's very lightweight. It smells like chamomile and eucalyptus, so it smells very relaxing and spa-like, which I really love. And I love laying it on underneath my tinted moisturizer. I feel like I'm getting a full coverage foundation look without wearing any foundation at all. I can get away with a layer of this, my tinted moisturizer from Drunk Elephant, and a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and I'm good to go with how my skin looks. I don't feel like I need to layer on extra products to get any coverage. This, along with the tinted moisturizer, does a really good job at just evening out my skin tone. I love skincare products that acts like a makeup product. I feel like it's just so easy for me in the morning just to lay this on and then go in with my tinted moisturizer, and I can be out the door. It just feels super lightweight, super comfortable. I do feel that this is a little bit, not oil inducing, but it definitely doesn't keep me matte throughout the day. I can definitely see a little bit more shine throughout my T-zone area when I lay this on, as opposed to just wearing the tinted moisturizer. I know that this is always sold out on Sephora, and I think the Sephora girl told me that they are thinking of reformulating this. So if it's sold out in your store and it's sold out online, I think they're working on the product to make it better or doing something different with it. But for some reason, it was on the Sephora website, and I'm like, it's the full size. I haven't seen it in the literally 3.5 months I've been on the hunt for this product, but I found it and I was really, really excited. So the next product is a skincare slash makeup product. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. I have been seeing this primer getting rave reviews everywhere on YouTube, social media, and I'm like, you know, there's a sale going on, pick it up, try it out, maybe you'll love it. And Tatcha is one of those luxury skincare brands that I tend to wait until there's a sale before I pick up something from it, because it is super pricey for just one product. So this is what it looks like. I mean, the packaging is beautiful. This is actually really, really big for a skincare product, a primer, so you're getting a bang for your buck with this one. I feel like it's definitely worth the money. So you open it up. I've already used it. You can see the little indent. I've used it 3 times now. A little bit goes a long way. If you get too much, I feel like it makes your face feel very oily and emollient, and foundation doesn't stick to it as well. If you use a little bit and get an even layer, I feel like foundation lays on top of it a lot better. I'm wearing it today under the Makeup Forever HD foundation, and my skin honestly looks so good in person. I don't know how it looks on camera, but it looks flawless in person. My pores definitely is like blurred out and very minimized with this product, and I love it. It smells so yummy. It just smells like, oh my god, what is that smell? A little perfumey, but nothing too overwhelming. I actually really enjoy the smell. And of course, it comes with the little disc that helps you scoop some product out so you don't have to dip your hand in there and get it all dirty and stuff. So after every use, I'll just wipe this down with a little bit of alcohol so that it's clean for my next little dig into the product. As far as I can tell, I really love the product. It's definitely living up to its claim, and you get so much product. Although the one thing I have a bit of an issue with this product is that it is only good for 6 months. How am I supposed to use this entire thing in under 6 months? Maybe a year, but 6 months, and as little as I use every time that I do use it, even if I use it every single day, I'm not gonna finish this in 6 months, so that is a bit of a bummer. I mean, you can continue using products after their expiration date, but it's not gonna perform as effective and to its highest potential as if, you know, you used it before it expired. So we have 3 last products, and they're makeup products. This is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I've seen a lot of people talk about this, and I've never really tried a Dior foundation. I didn't know if it was just super expensive for something that I could get out of a drugstore foundation or even my Makeup Forever or Nars Sheer Glow foundation, so I was never really intrigued. But this came out and everyone has been really loving it, so I'm like, you know, it's been a while since I've gotten a new foundation. Let's try this out and see how it goes. I picked up the shade 4W0, 4WO, I don't know what that is, but it looks like it could be a little bit too dark for my, why am I blanking? It looks a little bit too dark for me right now, so I might have to lighten it up with a little bit of a lighter foundation. But it was pretty expensive for this little bottle. It's supposed to be light to medium coverage, which I thought would be really nice because that's the coverage I prefer. And with the wedding coming up, if I have like weird splotchiness on my chest or arm area, I can put a little bit of this on to cover that and it wouldn't look like a full thick layer of foundation. So I'm excited to try this out. Let me know if you want me to do a review on this or any of the products that I'm going to mention. I will definitely film a review for you guys. The next product is one that I'm so glad I picked up because I've been wearing this non-stop since I've gotten it. This is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I have been a big fan of the Laura Mercier translucent powder, which I just picked up a full-size version not too long ago and have been using it, but ever since I picked this up, I cannot stop using it. First of all, the packaging is genius. If you guys have used translucent powders before, you know how incredibly annoying and messy translucent powders are. I feel like as careful as you are with screwing it off lightly and being really gentle with it, it just becomes like a puffy cloud of powder every single time you open it or close it. It gets all over other makeup products, it's all over my vanity, and it's, I mean, first world problems, but it's super annoying to me. But this packaging is genius. So it comes with a cap that has a little bit of a like mushroom top on it. So when the cap is on top of the product, it's actually just plugging the translucent powder so that it doesn't, you know, puff up every time you open it. But you just tap on the bottom. If you flip it over, you tap it like a few times. I do like 3 or 4 times. You get the perfect amount on the cap and then a little bit on here if you want to just swoosh your brush in there, which I definitely need right now because it's so hot. I'm getting so shiny, and this just sets your makeup so well. My skin looks so flawless and even and smooth. It looks amazing on the skin. It's so good. I will set my under eye concealer with a damp beauty sponge with this powder, and it makes your under eye area look so smooth and so perfect. It's like kind of magical. They also have a little baby version if you don't want to splurge on the full price big version, if you don't know if you'll like it or not. There's a baby one, I think it's like $18, but I love Hourglass products, so I kind of just went with it and bought the full-size version, which I'm so glad I did. The sale is still going on for another week, so I think I'm going to be picking up a backup of this so that I don't run out or run out before my wedding, because I feel like I'm going to use this so often. The last product we have is a Nars concealer. This is the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and I picked up the shade Ginger. You guys know I love the Radiant Creamy Concealer from Nars. That's like my go-to concealer for spot treatment, for under eye concealing, but a lot of people liked this version for spot concealing. It gives them better coverage, longer lasting power, so I figured that would be a really great product to try out if, God forbid, I do break out on my wedding. I can just spot conceal, and it's pretty small enough that I can just keep in like a bag to touch up throughout the day if I need anything. Alright guys, so that was everything that I picked up during the Sephora sale. If I have any recommendations for you, it would definitely be the Veil Translucent Powder from Hourglass, the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and the Peeling Pads from Dr. Dennis Gross. I love this. If you want to pick up skincare products, definitely check out my skincare video. I have a lot of great Drunk Elephant products to recommend. But that is it for this video, guys. If you picked up anything from the sale, let me know down below. I love hearing what you pick up, what you would recommend. There's still a week left, so if there's something that I really need to try, definitely let me know and I will go pick it up. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.